Hi love, welcome to video 3 of your Alter Ego Twin mini course. This is the moment we start actually creating your digital twin using your very first prompts. Don't worry, I'm keeping this simple, soft, and beginner friendly. Just the magic, the meaning, and the method. You'll find all 5 prompts in your PDF, but I'm going to read each one out loud so you really understand what they do. Let's begin. Why prompts matter? Prompts are the language you use to speak to MidJourney. They guide the AI toward your identity, your aesthetic, your mood, your glow-up future self. The secret to great prompts? Start simple, then build your magic from there. Too many adjectives equals chaos. Simplicity equals consistency. Prompt 1, clean base portrait. This is your identity anchor. It builds the most natural, clean version of your twin. Here is the exact prompt. Portrait of your name, calm expression, soft natural lighting, neutral background, realistic skin texture, clean aesthetic, MidJourney version 7.0, Omni-Reference. Use this to create a foundation before adding any creative styles. Prompt 2, Glam Clean Beauty. A soft glam version with elevated lighting and a modern editorial feel. The exact prompt is ultra-realistic, clean beauty portrait of your name. Soft bounce light, luminous skin, minimal makeup, shallow depth of field, cinematic softness, pastel undertones, MidJourney version 7.0, Omni-Reference. It keeps your features stable while giving you that gentle glow up. Prompt 3, Cinematic Goal Self Avatar. This is your future self in cinematic mode. Powerful, emotional, iconic. Here's the prompt. Cinematic portrait of your name. Main character energy, dreamy lighting, glowing aura, premium aesthetic, editorial photography, Kodak 35mm grain, MidJourney version 7.0, Omni-Reference. This is main character energy unlocked. Prompt 4, Aesthetic Twin Mood. This one lets you explore different identities without losing your face. The structure is your name as Aesthetic, Cyber Mermaid, Neon Barbie, Cosmic Oracle, Glam Witch, Surreal Cinematic Portrait, Holographic Colors, Hyper-Detailed, MidJourney version 7.0, Omni-Reference. Swap the aesthetic to match your vibe. This creates your aesthetic twin universe. Prompt 5, Future Self-Evolution. This captures your healed, elevated, reborn identity, your future self. The prompt, future version of your name, confident expression, elevated style, magical realism, dopamine design, ethereal vibes, soft glow, aesthetic portrait, MidJourney version 7.0, Omni-Reference. This is the emotional transformation prompt. How to use these prompts. You don't need to be technical, just follow these simple steps. Type Chalk to Imagine inside MidJourney. Click the Omni-Reference section and upload your reference photos. 1 photo is okay, 3 to 5 is even better. Paste one of the prompts, replace your name with your actual name. Replace aesthetic. If you're using the aesthetic prompt, generate. That's it. No overwhelm. Just creative magic. Your homework before video 4. Try at least 2 prompts today. 1 clean portrait, 1 aesthetic version. Save what feels like future you. Ignore what doesn't resonate. This is your creative rebirth in progress. 1 image at a time. You're not just generating pictures, you're designing your next identity. I'll meet you in video 4, where we shape your twin's aesthetic DNA, her vibe, colors, personality, and main character storyline. Your transformation is unfolding.